If you need to turn off DNSSEC in Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can disable it safely and understand what happens after you switch it off. This is a quick but important setting, especially if you're troubleshooting DNS issues, changing name servers, or preparing a domain for a new setup. If this helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using your usual email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are listed in one place. Next to the domain you want to update, click Manage. This opens the settings page for that specific domain, so make sure you've selected the correct one before making any changes. After that, click on the Advanced DNS tab. This is where Namecheap keeps advanced domain settings like host records, mail settings, and DNSSEC. Now scroll down until you find the DNSSEC section. DNSSEC is a security feature that helps protect your domain's DNS records from tampering, but in some cases, you may need to turn it off for compatibility or troubleshooting. In the DNSSEC section, you'll see a switch. Toggle that DNSSEC switch to the left or off position. Once you do that, Namecheap will begin processing the change. At this point, you don't need to keep clicking anything else. Just give it a moment to update. According to Namecheap, it can take about 60 minutes for the change to fully take effect, so if you don't see the result immediately, that's completely normal. While you're waiting, avoid making unnecessary DNS changes unless you know exactly what you're adjusting. And that's it. DNSSEC is now turned off for your Namecheap domain. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Namecheap and domain management guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.